Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video we are going to create a pentagonal grid pattern plot using Python. So firstly we'll start this by importing the necessary libraries. So matplotlib.pyplot is used for plotting the pentagons and numpy is used for numerical calculations, particularly for computing pentagon vertices. So now we'll write the program to draw pentagon. So this defines a function drawPentagon that takes three parameters: ax, matplotlib axis where the pentagon will be drawn, center, coordinates xy where the pentagon will be placed, and size, the radius of the size of the pentagon. So here this generates 6 equally spaced angles from 0 to 2 pi with full circle, and here this removes the last element to keep only 5 points for a pentagon, and this rotates the pentagon slightly for the proper orientation. This computes the x and y coordinates of the pentagon vertices using trigonometric functions, where np.cosAngles calculates the x coordinate and np.sinAngles calculates the y coordinates. So here np.append x to 0, this ensures the first and the last points are connected to close the pentagon, and ax.plot, this plots the pentagon outline with a blue color. This defines a function to draw exactly 5 pentagons with a given size. And now this creates a figure and axis with a size of 8 into 8 inches canvas. So this defines 5 fixed positions where pentagons will be placed, where 0 0 is for center pentagon and plus minus 1.5 into size and 0 which is for left and right pentagons and plus minus 0.75 into size and p.sqrt 3 into size which is 2 pentagons for above. So this iterates through the position list and calls draw pentagon to draw each pentagon. And this ensures equal scaling to the pentagon so they do not appear distorted. This hides the X and Y axis for a cleaner and visual appearance. And now we'll add the plot title. So this adds a suitable plot title to the plot. And now we'll display the plot. So this displays the plot, and at last we'll call the function and now we can check this. So now we can see a pentagonal grid pattern plot. So thanks for watching this video.